How to buy Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Amazon Prime, all you have to do is go ahead and basically open up your browser, and then I'll make sure to drop this direct link below, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link below. And once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, if you aren't already signed in, make sure you do that by just tapping the sign in option from the top. Now, if you're already signed into one of your free Amazon accounts, you can get the premium by just tapping on start your free 30-day trial option. And once you tap on start your free 30-day trial, you should be able to see a list of benefits that you get with Prime subscription. So all you have to do is just tap on add a credit or debit card option. And once you tap on add a credit or debit card, you can just tap the continue option from the bottom in order to go ahead and then basically add this to your account. And this way you would have successfully bought Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.